Welcome to the Hobie Bobie Show. Today's episode we have a guest star. His name is Hoover. He's Hobie's friend. Hi Hoover. Say hi Hobie.
Hi.
Say welcome to my show.
Welcome to Hobie Show.
Yep. Okay, go Hobie. What are we doing today on the show? Muno Cups. Go. Show us.
Mommy Fufa.
Fufa. Hi Fufa. Turn Muno around so we can see him. Nice. Keep going. What's after Fufa? You're doing a great job too, Hoover.
Hobie Show.
Yep.
Hobie Show, then eat.
You're done with Hoover?
Then eat.
You want him to go?
Yeah, go.
Hoover, get down. You're done. Go. Hobie, get down. Down. Good boy. Okay, keep going, Hobie. Fufa.
Mommy Kitty.
Tootie. Uh-oh.
Bobby.
Broy. Nothing. Oh, blue. What is that? Blue what?
Blue.
Blue Play-Doh.
Go.
Yeah, good job. You're so cute. Broby goes in Tootie. Tootie goes in. What's the yellow one?
Blue.
Yellow Plex. Plex goes in.
Hobie Show, end.
You're done.
My Hobie Show.
Goes in Fufa. Fufa goes in Muno. All done. Nice work, Hoey. Say thank you for watching my show.
That's my show.
See you next time.
Say my thing.
Bye.
Bye. Hobie Show, Gigi.